Hello children, how are you all? Welcome in your English grammar class with your book Pebbles of Grammar class 8 by Magic Mind from Galaxy Publications. Let's start children, chapter number 15, Direct and Indirect Speech. So let's learn direct speech first. Direct speech किसे कहते हैं बच्चों? When the exact or actual words of the speaker are reproduced, जब हम बिल्कुल exact words बोलते हैं speakers के या फिर लिखते हैं, it is called direct speech. When we quote the exact words spoken by someone is called direct speech. The words of the speaker are placed inside inverted commas. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं एग्जाम्पल्स के लिए है रोहन सेड आई लाइक टू प्ले फुटबॉल. सो ये वर्ड्स रोहन के ही हैं. सो वी विल प्लेस द वर्ड्स ऑफ द स्पीकर इनसाइड इन्वर्टेड कॉमास. My mother asked, where are you going? The teacher said, please complete your homework. Here the actual words of Rohan, mother and the teacher are written as they were spoken. जैसे वो बोले गए वैसे ही यहाँ लिखे गए. That is why these are in direct speech. Now in direct speech, when we report what someone said without quoting their exact words. Exact words को quote करे बिना जब हम ये बताते हैं कि किसी ने क्या कहा है अपने words में, it is called indirect speech. Okay, इसे हम reported speech भी कहते हैं. In this form, we don't use inverted commas. जैसे कि रोहन said he likes to play football. फिर से बोल रही हूँ. जैसे कि रोहन said that he liked to play football. My mother asked me where I was going. The teacher told us to complete our homework. Here the meaning is the same. Meaning same है, but the words are changed by the reporter. Okay. So some features of indirect speech, no inverted commas, okay? ये हमें पता है, example आप खुद पढ़ेंगे. Use of conjunctions, that, if, whether, etc. So in conjunctions का हम use करते हैं जैसे कि he said I am tired, direct speech. He said that he was tired. So हमने यहाँ पे conjunction का use किया. I said I will help you, direct speech. I said that I would help him or her, indirect speech. Change of tense, फिर से बोल रही हूँ. Change of tense usually moves one step back. Okay, so she said I am cooking, direct speech. She said that she was cooking, indirect speech. Time expressions change हो जाते हैं. He said I met him yesterday, direct speech. He said that he had met him the day before. This is indirect speech. Rules for changing the tenses. अब यहाँ पर rules समझिए आप. When the reporting verb is in the present or future tense. So if the reporting verb say, tell, claim, promise, etc. is in the present or future tense, then the tense of the reported speech does not change. वहाँ पर tense change नहीं होगा. Riya says I love painting, direct speech. Riya says that she loves painting. My teacher says the earth moves around the sun, direct speech. My teacher says that the earth moves around the sun, indirect speech. Arun will say I am going to Mumbai next week, direct speech. Arun will say that he is going to Mumbai next week. यहाँ पर reporting verb says, will say are in the present or future, right? So the tense inside the reported speech remains unchanged. ये change नहीं होता है. When the reporting verb is in the past tense, तब क्या होगा? अगर वो past tense में है यानी कि वहाँ पर आया हुआ है said, told, claimed और asked, the tense in the reported speech usually shift one step back, okay, into the past. जैसे कि simple present से simple past में I said, she said I play cricket, direct speech. She said that she played cricket. Okay, present continuous को हम past continuous में बदल देंगे. He said I am reading. He said that he was reading. Present perfect को past perfect में बदलेंगे आप. She said, I have finished my homework. She said that she had finished her homework. Okay? Simple past को हम past perfect में बदलते हैं. जैसे कि he said, I bought a new car. So, he said that he had bought a new car. Past continuous को हम past perfect continuous में बदलेंगे. They said we were watching TV. They said that they had been watching TV. Will shall को would should में बदल दिया जाएगा. He said I will call you. He said that he would call me. Okay? Exceptions देखेंगे. Normally, if the reporting verb is in the past tense, we change the tense in reported speech. But there are 3 exceptions where the tense remains the same. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब अगर पास्ट टेंस में है तो भी. पहला एक्सेप्शन है यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ और हैबिचुअल फैक्ट्स का. अगर रिपोर्टेड वर्ड्स कोई भी यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ या फिर कोई हैबिट को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, द टेंस डज नॉट चेंज. ओके, जैसे कि द टीचर सेड द सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट. द टीचर सेड दैट द सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट. कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. My mother said honesty is the best policy. My mother said that honesty is the best policy. Second exception है situation still continuing at the time of reporting. If the reported fact or action is still true, continuing, अगर अभी तक वो action चल रहा है, the tense does not change. The coach said the players are practicing for the final match. The coach said that the players are practicing for the final match. Okay? Second example आप खुद से पढ़ेंगे. Both clauses already in past tense. तब भी कोई change नहीं होगा. If the reported speech already has both clauses in the past tense, the tense is not changed further. Meera said Ravi was absent because he was ill. Meera said that Ravi was absent because he was ill. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, रीड इट योरसेल्फ. अब हम डिफरेंस देखेंगे बिटवीन से एंड टेल. से यूज्ड व्हेन नो ऑब्जेक्ट इज मेंशन्ड. ओके, कोई भी लिसनर यहाँ पर मेंशन नहीं है. एग्जाम्पल, ही सेड दैट ही वॉज टायर्ड. और टेल हम यूज करेंगे व्हेन द स्पीकर टेल्स समथिंग टू समवन, जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर रिक्वायर्ड है या मेंशन्ड है. ही टोल्ड मी दैट ही वॉज टायर्ड. सो ये डिफरेंस है से और टेल के बीच में. नाउ चेंजिंग पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस एंड possessive. When changing from direct speech to indirect speech, the pronouns may change depending on who the speaker is. Okay, first person, who is being spoken to, second person, and who is being spoken about, third person. First person pronoun I, me, my, we, us, are, ours. So these pronouns change according to the subject of the reporting verb. I said I am feeling tired. I said that I was feeling tired. You said I am feeling tired. You said that you were feeling tired. She said I am feeling tired. She said that she was feeling tired. Second person pronoun को देखेंगे you, your, yours. These pronouns change according to the object. Okay, object के according change होते हैं ये reporting verb के, जो कि है listener. Mohan said to me, you are my best friend. So अब ये change होगा me के according, listener के according. So Mohan told me that I was his best friend. The teacher said to you, you should complete your homework. The teachers told you that you should complete your homework. I told you कि ये जो second person pronoun है ये listener के according change होगा. Riya said to him, you said to him, you forgot your bag in class. So Riya told him that he had forgotten his bag in class. Okay. Third person pronoun को देखेंगे. These usually remain unchanged in indirect speech. Example, the coach said he is the fastest runner in the team. The coach said that he was the fastest runner in the team. Rest two examples, please read yourself. अब हम आते हैं words denoting time and place in indirect speech. If the reporting verb is in past tense, then time and place words shift to a more distant form. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, they remain the same. Okay? अब आप इस टेबल को ध्यान से पढ़ेंगे बच्चों. ये देखिए, डायरेक्ट स्पीच वर्ड है नाउ, इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच वर्ड हो जाएगा देन. एग्जाम्पल्स यू विल रीड योरसेल्फ. टुडे के लिए हो जाएगा दैट डे, यस्टरडे के लिए द प्रीवियस डे और द डे बिफोर, टुमारो के लिए द नेक्स्ट डे, द फॉलोइंग डे, दिस मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग और वीक के लिए हो जाएगा दैट मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग और वीक, लास्ट नाइट और वीक और ईयर के लिए हो जाएगा द प्रीवियस नाइट, वीक, ईयर, नेक्स्ट वीक, मंथ, ईयर के लिए हो जाएगा द नेक्स्ट, द फॉलोइंग वीक, मंथ और ईयर. अगो के लिए हम यूज करेंगे इनडायरेक्ट में बिफोर, हेयर के लिए देयर एंड हेंस के लिए थेंस. ओके, एग्जाम्पल आप खुद से पढ़ेंगे. नाउ चेंजिंग स्टेटमेंट्स एंड क्वेश्चंस इनटू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच देखेंगे. व्हेन वी चेंज डायरेक्ट स्पीच इनटू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच, so the choice of reporting verbs and conjunctions depend on whether the sentence is a statement, a question or a command. Okay, reporting statement में the common reporting verbs are say and tell. Okay, instead of always using say, we can use more precise verbs depending on the context. Okay, examples of reporting verbs are add, argue, deny, point out, remind, observe, guarantee, explain, promise, reply, complain, regret, allege, remark, claim. So हम इन words का भी use कर सकते हैं. We normally use the conjunction that before the reported verb, but it can be dropped without changing the meaning. Example देखेंगे. Riya said, I am tired. Riya said that she was tired. हम ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं कि Riya said she was tired. Arjun explained the sun rises in the east. Arjun explained so that the sun rises in the east. My friend promised I will help you with your homework. My friend promised that he would help me with my homework. Reporting questions देखेंगे. When changing questions, the reporting verb say is usually changed to ask or inquire. Other options हमारे पास हैं demand, wonder, want to know. Remember, inquire and demand are followed by the preposition of. तो यहाँ पर हम preposition का भी use करेंगे. Types of question में WH question में आते हैं who, what, when, where, why, how. No conjunction is used. Word order changes from question to statement form. जैसे कि Neha said to me, where are you going? Neha asked me where I was going. So the teacher said, why are you late? The teacher asked why I was late. Yes no question में we used if or whether as a conjunction. Rahul said, do you like cricket? Rahul asked if I liked cricket. She said to him, can you solve this problem? She asked him whether he could solve that problem. ये और examples आपको यहाँ पर questions के दिए हैं. Please read it yourself. Now changing commands, request, advise, etc. into indirect speech. अब say द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब जो होती है ये चेंज हो जाती है ऑर्डर, ऑर्डर्ड, रिक्वेस्ट, रिक्वेस्टेड और एडवाइज्ड. से चेंजेस टू ऑर्डर, रिक्वेस्ट, एडवाइज, अर्ज, वॉर्न, एंकरेज, रिमाइंड, आस्क डिपेंडिंग ऑन द मीनिंग. ओके, अगर सेंटेंस में आपको रिक्वेस्ट लग रही है सो यू विल राइट रिक्वेस्टेड, ऑर्डर है तो ऑर्डर्ड, एडवाइज है तो एडवाइज्ड. द वर्ब इन द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच चेंजेस इनटू द इनफाइनेटिव फॉर्म टू प्लस वर्ब. Do not is changed to not to. When let expresses a suggestion, the reporting verb becomes suggest or purpose. The structure changes to we or they should plus verb. Okay. The captain said to the soldiers, march forward. The captain ordered the soldiers to march forward. The teacher said to the boy, sit quietly. The teacher told the boy to sit quietly. Okay, rest sentences please read yourself. Changing exclamation and wishes into indirect speech. When we report exclamatory sentences showing surprise, sorrow, joy, wonder, etc. or wishes, some special changes are made. Say is replaced with a verb that shows the feeling exclaim, cry, wish, pray, bless, shout, etc. Okay? इस तरह के words भी words like oh, alas, hurrah, bravo, my God, what, how are dropped. Their sense is expressed using phrases like exclaimed with sorrow, joy, surprise, etc. इस तरह से हम इसे लिखते हैं. An exclamation becomes a statement before being reported. No exclamation mark is used in indirect speech. Examples: alas, I lost my wallet, said Ravi. Ravi exclaimed with sorrow that he had lost his wallet. Hurrah, our team has won the match, shouted the fans. The fans exclaimed with joy that their team had won the match. Now reporting conversation. In real life conversation, people don't always use complete sentences. They often respond with one word, short phrases or even sounds. Okay? Yes, no, okay. When such dialogues are reported, these short replies are expanded into complete sentences in indirect speech. Change questions into reported questions using asked, inquired. Turn short answers into full sentences. Examples: he said that he would. Change personal pronoun sentences as required. Maintain the flow, children. Report one person's question followed by the other's reply. Example में देखेंगे आप direct conversation में Rohan, did you finish your homework? Aman, yes, maths homework. Rohan, only maths? Aman, I'll do English later. Rohan, okay, but don't forget. अब अगर हम इसे reported conversation में लिखेंगे तो हम लिखेंगे Rohan asked Aman if he had finished his homework. Aman replied that he had completed his maths homework. Rohan then asked if he had done only maths. Aman answered that he would do English later. Rohan reminded him not to forget. Okay? So इस तरह से हम करते हैं direct, indirect conversation. Now let's practice. Change the following sentences into indirect speech using that as a conjunction. Okay, हमें that को use करके इन्हें indirect speech में बदलना है. The teacher said to his soldier. फिर से बोल रहे हो. The king said to his soldiers, "You have fought bravely." The king told his soldiers that they had fought bravely. The scientist said the earth revolves around the sun. The scientist said that the earth revolves around the sun. Universal truth है, हम इसमें कुछ भी change नहीं करेंगे. Okay, just हमने that conjunction add किया है. Rohan said to his friend, "I am waiting for you at the bus stop." Rohan told his friend that he was waiting for him at the bus stop. The coach said, "Our team will win the match." The coach said that their team would win the match. Okay. Rest sentences you will change into indirect speech yourself. Next we have changed these sentences into direct speech. अब हमें इन्हें direct speech में बदलना है. First sentence is Anita told her brother that she was feeling very tired. So हम लिखेंगे Anita said to her brother, "I am feeling very tired." Inverted commas में लिखेंगे हम because ये direct words हैं. The teacher reminded the students that the exam would begin the next day. The teacher said to the students, "The exam will begin tomorrow." My father said that honesty is the best policy. My father said honesty is the best policy. The librarian told the boy that he must return the books on time. The librarian said to the boy, "You must return the book on time." Okay? So, ये हमने लिखने हैं, direct speech है, so हम इसे inverted commas में ही लिखेंगे. Change the following sentences from direct to indirect speech. "Oh no, I left my wallet on the bus," said Ramesh. So Ramesh exclaimed with sorrow that he had left his wallet on the bus. "Hurrah! Our team has won the championship," shouted the players. The players shouted with joy that their team had won the championship. "May you succeed in your new job," said Meera to her brother. So Meera wished her brother that he might succeed in his new job. What a beautiful rainbow this is, said the children. The children exclaimed with wonder that it was a very beautiful rainbow. Same आपने इसी तरीके से बाकी के sentences को भी indirect speech में change करना है. Change the following sentences from direct to indirect speech. So, अब बच्चों आप इस एक्सरसाइज को खुद से करेंगे. इट विल बी इन योर होमवर्क. ओके, आपको डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में खुद से इसे बदलना है. वी कम ऑन द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. रिपोर्ट द फॉलोइंग कॉन्वर्जेशन इन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. तो यहाँ पर एक कॉन्वर्जेशन है जिसे मैंने थोड़ा पार्ट इसका इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में आपके लिए चेंज किया है. मीना, लेट्स ऑर्गेनाइज अ पिकनिक दिस संडे. So Meena suggested organizing a picnic that Sunday. Riya, picnic? Where do you want to go? Riya asked where she wanted to go for a picnic. Meena, to the riverside park. अब इसे हम indirect में लिखेंगे. Meena replied that she wanted to go to the riverside park. Riya, but won't it be crowded on Sunday? Riya further asked if it would not be crowded on Sunday. Meena, maybe, but we can reach early. So Meena replied that maybe it would be, but they could reach early. So इसी तरह से आपने इस conversation को indirect speech में आगे बढ़ाते हुए लिखना है. आगे है आपके लिए. Riya, what is special about the place? Meena, there is a boating facility and a small zoo. Riya, that sounds exciting. Meena, and we can also play games in the open ground. Riya, all right, let's invite our classmates too. Meena, yes, I will message them. Riya, done. See you on Sunday morning. Meena, see you, bye. अब आपने इस conversation को आगे बढ़ाते हुए indirect speech में खुद से लिखना है. So children, this chapter ends here. I hope that you have understood it clearly. Thanks for watching. See you soon.